Hi everyone, my name is Malcolm Tassa, and today I'll be showing you how to create a simple web page using HTML. This demonstration will take you from writing a few lines of code all the way to putting your first web page live on the internet completely for free. I chose this topic because as a computer science major, web development is something I've learned both in the class and through personal projects. Why this matters. Whether it's a resume site, a portfolio, or a small business page, having your own website gives you visibility and control. A lot of people think building a website is complicated or expensive, but the truth is anyone can make one with just a few simple tools. By the end of this demonstration, you'll know how to build your own web page, share it online. We'll go over setting up the tools you'll need, then get into creating the web page, and finally, how to host it online for others to see, all for free. Step 1. One of the tools you'll need in making your first web page is you'll need to go online and install Visual Studio Code. And here I'll have a video showing you how to do so. First, you'll want to go to any browser and search up Visual Studio Code. Once you find this website, you'll then need to install the correct version of Visual Studio Code for your operating system. If you have a Mac, you'll click on the Mac button. Since I have a Windows, I'll click the Windows button and be going over how to install it for Windows machine. Once the file installs, you'll click on the file. Now, this shouldn't show up. It just showed up on my screen since I have a certain application running in the background. Now, when this shows up, you'll read over the user agreement. You'll click agree, then click next. You'll click on all these buttons here, then click next. Now, you'll click install. Once installed, we can now move to the next step. For the next step, you'll need to go to github.com and create a GitHub account. If you don't already have one, creating an account is a simple process, like creating accounts for other applications, so I won't spend too much time on this. Now we can get into coding your first website. First, you'll locate Visual Studio Code on your computer and open it. Once open, you'll go to the top left of the screen where you'll see tabs. Click on the tab that says File. In this tab, you can do a range of different things from creating files, folders, and saving them and more. Click on Open Folder, then click New Folder and select it. For now, we'll just leave the name as New Folder for demonstration purposes. On the left, click on the folder name, New Folder, and hit the New File button next to it. Name that file index.html. This creates a HTML file inside the folder you just made. Begin typing HTML, then click on the middle option that appears. This creates an outline for your HTML file. You can update the title section to be anything you want, like so. Now, inside the body section, make a heading tag like so, and type what you want the heading of your web page to be. Then you can make a paragraph tag like so under it and put anything you would like. You can then navigate to the Show Preview button, as seen in the video, to see what your web page looks like so far. And this is what it looks like so far. Once you're done, you can navigate back to the File tab and click on Save. If you'd like to learn more, here are some great free resources you can explore. W3 Schools, perfect for beginners and includes examples you can try instantly. Mozilla Developer Network is a trusted source for deeper explanations and modern best practices. Free Codecamp offers free interactive lessons in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Simply going on YouTube for step-by-step instructions for something you want to do, or using Google or ChatGPT works as well. Now that you've made your first web page, let's learn how to make it viewable for anyone to see. Host it for free. Go on GitHub now that you've created your GitHub account. You'll then want to navigate to repositories located under your profile picture. Here will be a collection of different projects you can upload to GitHub for people to see. Click on the New button and name your repository. For now, I'll just name mine webpage. Add a description if you want, but this is optional, so you don't have to do so. You're going to leave the visibility as public and then scroll down and click on Create Repository, the green button located beneath. Now, you'll click on Upload Existing File, like such. Then you'll need to locate the folder you just made. Once you locate the folder, you're going to want to click on all the files inside this folder. Right now, we only have the index file, so you'll just want to click on that. After that, you'll click on Commit Changes, and now you've officially uploaded your first file to GitHub. Now navigate to the settings, like so. Find a button that says Pages and click on it. Under Branch, click on None and change it to Main. You'll then want to hit Save right next to it. Once you do this, in your web browser, you're going to want to type your GitHub name .github.io/ your repository name. So my GitHub name is Malcolm Tasa, then .github.io/ my repository name is webpage. You should now be able to see your webpage. Now you'll be able to share this link with anyone and they'll be able to see your very first webpage. And just like that, with a few simple steps, you've learned how to turn an idea into something real on the web. So over this presentation, we've gone over how to install Visual Studio Code, making a web page with basic HTML, and how to host it online for free. I hope this inspired you to try it yourself, because the best way to learn coding is to create something you can actually share. Thank you for listening.